what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are welcome here as well. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can go ahead and subscribe. So today I'm just gonna show you guys a simple, quick daily makeup and also show you guys my new contacts from Mitata. Finally, it's time for the lens. It's kind of been a long time since I wore like contact lens, so kind of excited. So here it is, Mitata unboxing. Bam! So I got 3 lenses and this, which I have no idea what it is. It doesn't look like a contact case. I don't know, maybe like a case with like the tweezer looking thingy, but y'all, I can't read this, so I don't know which one is like which color, but I just know I got gray daily color, and then gray and purple daily color, and brown and gray daily color. The only thing I could read is this, -1, my eyesight. So let's go figure it out now. Let's open it. Oh, wait, there's like 10 inside. I expected like two, like 1 pair. Guys, what do you guys think this color is? I think it's brown gray, huh? Let's open all of them because I just can't tell. These are gray for sure. Right? Oh, purple gray. Yes. I was right. Show you guys the color. I feel like this is really natural. I'm gonna hold here. Hold the top. Put it in. Swipe. Whoa, it's like really subtle. I really like it. It's really subtle. And it is a little bit bigger than my eyeball, which is fine because my eyeballs are kind of small. So natural. Do you see that? Let's put it on this side too. Okay, I have it on. The diameter is like super big. I look like a doll right now, huh? I thought it's gonna be like noticeable gray, but this is like a super subtle gray, and let me tell you, it's super moisturizing. As you guys see, it's my natural eye in the middle, but outside there's like a of gray, and it almost looks kind of blue. I think this is really good for daily. Let me go to the sunlight for you guys. Let's go. Here's how it looks like in the sunlight, and it's still like really subtle. Oh yeah, where is that thingy? I forgot to check what this is. Yep, it's the tweezer thingy. I'm really excited for purple gray, so let's go purple gray. It's so like, it feels like an extra blush on my face. It makes my face look a little bit more like pinky. Let me put it on both sides. Here's the both sides. What do you guys think? I always wanted to try purple lenses. And this is exactly what I wanted. Like very subtle purple that people won't notice, but there's like a little bit of like a blush type. Do you know what I mean? Blush type? Yeah. Oh, I look good. Okay, I'll show you guys on a natural light. Let's get it brown gray. This is one side. You guys have to see it like this. You can see it better, huh? Wow. Yo, I think this is perfect for my outfit today. You know, I'm kind of going for the brown, gold, white, like natural 느낌. And this subtle brown gray is complementing my look. Okay, so what I'm impressed about, I was opening my eyes like really big without blinking to show you guys the colors, right? But usually when I do that with other contacts, like my eyes hurt and it gets so dry, the lens is about to fall out. But this one, like no matter like how long I was doing this for, like it's not really getting dry and like it's not hurting. It's still moist. Like I could feel that it's still moist. Anyway, let's go to the natural light. 예쁘다. Well, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And all the products that I mentioned are down below in the description box so you can check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!